The secret to chocolate's health benefits. Do you love chocolate? You're not alone. It's one of the most popular foods in the world. The Mayans considered it the food of the gods. Believe it or not, chocolate is healthy. It contains beneficial antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Chocolate's complex chemical makeup can trigger feelings similar to being in love. But there's a catch. Sugar and dairy are often added to chocolate, and they can bring negative health effects. Companies such as Earth Echo have a solution. Its Cacao Bliss drinking chocolate is low calorie and contains no dairy. Plus, it's mixed with other superfoods, including cinnamon and black pepper, for a healthy, creamy, and super chocolatey drink, just like the Mayans made.